the Lawler, this is where I admit the Lawler is still in minor disarray. It's under a sheet right now, but the overhead drive at least is set up. So the overhead drive's up, and I have a nice brass bristle brush to get all the rust out of the here. Let me get this. There we go. So it's getting there. It's getting there.
What is a Lawler? Is that a Rose engine?
It's not a Rose engine. It's an ornamental lathe.
Okay.
So I've got a drilling frame in it right now. I just have to get the belting up to the overhead drive that's up here, which is still not attached. But then then I'll be able to actually do things.
Yeah, nice.
So that's
right. I'm jealous.
Yeah. You got another rabbit hole. You got another rabbit hole.
That's another life.
Oh, yeah.
That's another lifetime.
Oh. Yeah, it looks good.
Yep.
Fabulous.
All in good
All right.
time.
That'll be fun. Yeah.
All right.